going to be installing in my hair. This is her hair company, and these are, so I ordered 3 bundles from her hair company. This is how it comes in this particular box. It comes with this little pamphlet here that says thank you for shopping with us. It has their information here on the back, and then I just got 3 body wave bundles. I think I got a 24, a 22, and I got a 20. So this is just the, I think it was a 3 bundle deal is what I got. Now this particular hair, ooh, this one got something I don't need. It's something on this hair. Like, what is this? Cement? Like, what is this on this hair? I ain't finna put this in my head and it got stuff on it. Let me see, y'all. These are the bundles, y'all. Looks good, huh? But it's something in this hair, y'all. What the heck? Oh. Y'all about to net up. It's basically the, cause I was like, what is that on the hair? I guess the rubber band broke on it, so that's just the rubber band. Had to make sure, honey. But this is the hair. This is from her hair company. This is the body wave. Now this particular one is the 22 inch. Like, it's pretty good. This is the hair. Now this is how your hair should come, body wave. You remember I showed you guys Kendra's Hair Boutique. I'll put her link up here in the description below. I'll put the link up here in this particular video. But hers is all over the place. So I don't know, but Kendra Hair Boutique, Kendra Hair is some good hair. So, but I'm just getting a quick weave this time around. So for quick weaves, I'm like, I just need some quick hair to kind of put in my hair. Let me show y'all how much I paid for it. I paid $190 for this hair. This was the bundle deal. Of course, with shipping, it came out to be like $206 because I had like a discount or whatever. So with shipping, it came out to be like $206, which is not bad for some bundles. Because you go in the hair store tomorrow, you probably gonna be paying around the same price for just these type of bundles. So me, $206 ain't that bad. Like $191 for like 3 bundles, and I wanted some decent hair. I didn't really want like cheap hair. I wanted some at least decent hair for my quick weave, because I'm gonna be having some hair hanging in the back, and then I'm gonna have like a cute little pony at the top. So I wanted to get somewhat of a decent hair. So I went ahead and went with her hair company. Now, I always get the Brazilian curly from her hair company. Now, it's in my Kendra's Hair Boutique review. That hair that I'm wearing when I'm introducing the Kendra hair, that is from her hair company. And so I've used the curly hair. I absolutely love the curly hair. This is the only curly hair that I buy is from her hair company. So this time around, I decided to go ahead and try like the body wave Brazilian hair. And this is what it's looking like. It looks really, really good. So hopefully it looks good in my hair. These are the type of curls that I want. I'm guessing it's like a 1 curl when he gets ready to do my hair. You know what I'm saying? Get a little pony. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna be, ooh, cute baby, Nubian queen baby, yes. This is the 22 inch. Now I'm not gonna open up the rest of them because I really want to preserve them. But this is the 20, and then this is the 24. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of these installed in my hair today, so you guys will get ready to see the finished product as I get ready for my trip. Get ready to get out of the house and go get my hair done. So I'll catch you guys in these streets. Oh, check out the hair. Yes, so I have got my hair done. I'm ready to go, honey. So this style is by the one and only Make You Over. That's his Instagram name. I'll make sure to put his information down in the link below. So if you're in the Atlanta area, make sure you book him. Make sure you check him out. But baby, he got me right. Looking cute as ever. Baby hairs on fleek. Pony on fleek. Is giving dramatic pony, honey. Yes. But no, y'all, this is me. I just finished getting my hair done, of course, as you guys, well, I don't think I've shown you guys now. So I'm just now getting home. Alrighty guys, so let's get into the final 2-month update of her hair company. And you guys, I can say that overall rating of this hair is good. Like, look at this hair. I've had this hair in for about 2 months now, but on and off. I did the first installment, which was a quick weave, and then I did a second installment of the same hairstyle, which was a quick weave as well. So I wore the first set for like 3 weeks, and I wore the second set for like 3 weeks. So this is the basically around 2-month update of her hair company. And like I said it before, I never really worn her hair company body wave hair. That I'm wearing, the curly kinky hair, is from her hair company, but that's the only hair that I really purchased from her hair company. So this is my first time purchasing the body wave hair. And like I stated, like, the reason why I did decide to get this hair, because I was just getting a quick weave, but I was going on 2 trips back to back, so I kind of didn't want like to get cheap hair or okay hair. I kind of still wanted to have good hair, even though I was getting a quick weave. But since I was going on some trips, I was like, I need to get like some good hair. So I didn't want to spend Kendra's prices, so I ended up spending her hair company, and I can definitely say that this worked out so perfectly for my quick weave. So let's start with the pros of this particular hair. So one pro that I like of this hair is that I love the shine of this particular hair. I don't know if you can see it really good on camera, but as you can see, the hair gives a little shine to it, which I really like. Like, it doesn't look all dry and dull. It actually have like a little bit of a shine to it, which is a really good plus and why I like this particular hair. Second thing about this hair is the curl pattern. Like, I did get body wave, but anytime I curl this hair, like, the curls last. Like, I don't have a problem. Like, at least it'll keep like this wavy look that you see here. I usually just wand curl it, do big wand curls, and it sticks with this wavy pattern. Like, I usually just put my hair, I'll tie down a silk scarf, and then I'll get like a silk bonnet and just put the hair in the bonnet. I don't twist the hair or anything like that. I just put it straight in the bonnet like this, comb it, put it in the bonnet, and I sleep with it at night. And y'all, when I wake up, my curls are still like this. So that's the second pro that I love about this hair, is it definitely keeps its curl. The third thing that I like about this hair is that it's really soft hair. Like, even when I got the second installment, I washed it really good. The hair was like super soft and silky, and that's one of the things that I love about this hair. Like, it's really good soft hair. So that is the third thing I like about this hair. And the fourth thing I like about the hair is that it's thick. Like, I don't know if it comes off thick to you guys on camera, but to me, I feel like this hair is really thick. As you saw when I first opened up the package, I only used 3 bundles. So this is 3 bundles of hair, and you guys, I can honestly say that this is some thick hair. I only use about 3 bundles of this hair, and that's the fourth thing I like about this hair, is that it's really thick. Oh, alrighty guys, so let's get into the cons of this hair. So as it relates to the bad parts about this hair, is one thing that it does shed. As I'm brushing the hair, there's hair all over the floor, hair up over the sink. So that's one thing that I don't like about the hair, is that it does shed. Also, the second thing that I don't like about this hair is that it tangles. Like, I wouldn't say that it tangled all over. For the most part, as you can see, I'm just combing my hair through it. You can just go through it pretty easy, especially after you comb it. But the only thing, it kept getting tangled like right underneath your kitchen in the back, as they call it. But it kept getting tangled like right here in the back, which I really didn't like. So those are basically the cons of the hair, is that it sheds a little bit, and then it also gets tangled like right here in the back of the bundles. But other than that, I feel like this hair is a really good hair. This is her hair company hair, and I definitely recommend this hair, especially if you're going to get like a quick weave and still have some good hair in your head. I definitely recommend getting this her hair company. Also, if you want to get a sew-in, this hair would definitely work for both. I feel like overall that this is a good hair, so I definitely would recommend getting this particular hair. The only cons about it is that it sheds a little, and then it can get a little tangly in the back, but all I do is brush it out and I'm good for today. Other than that, I love the shine, I love the thickness, I love that it can hold a curl. Like, you guys, I didn't even have to, like, I went weeks one time without even curling the hair and it still looked exactly like this. Oh, so this is the final review of her hair company. Oh, alrighty guys, so that will conclude today's video. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.